Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
So here it is said, the universe has its own time, fixed by the energy of the complete whole. Universe is also a big, gigantic body, material body, that's all. Just like your body, everything is relative. Modern science, the law of relativity. An atom, a small particle, a small ant. So it has got a relative life. You have got relative life. Similarly, this gigantic body, it may be many millions of years, this universe will exist, but it will not exist forever. That is a fact. Because it is very gigantic, therefore it may remain for some millions of years, but it will end. That is the law of nature. And when that time is complete, this temporary manifestation will be annihilated by the complete arrangement of the complete. The Supreme Complete, when your time will be complete, no more sir in this body, nobody can change. The arrangement is so strong. You cannot say, let me remain. Actually it happens. When I was in India, Allahabad, one of our known friend, he was a very rich man, so he was dying. So he was requesting the doctor, can you not give me at least 4 years to live? I have got some plan. You see, I could not finish it. Asa pasa satayivadhya. This is demonic. Everyone thinks that, oh, I have to do this, I have to do this. No. The doctors or doctor's fathers or his father, no scientist can check. Oh, no, sir. No 4 years, not even 4 minutes. You have to go immediately. This is the law. So, before that moment comes, one should be very dexterous to realize Krishna consciousness. Turnam jateta. Turnam means very swiftly, very quickly, you should realize Krishna consciousness. Anumattu patita java. Next, before the next death comes, you must finish your business. That is intelligence. Otherwise, defeat. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.